Hydroxychloroquine may not be the answer to COVID-19 after all. A new study of hundreds of COVID-19 patients found it didn't help patients stay off ventilators. In fact, it actually had a high death rate. As Elizabeth Cohen tells us, it's just one of many medicines under investigation to treat the virus.
And one of the reasons
it's President Trump's favorite drug combination to talk about.
I just hope that hydroxychloroquine wins, coupled with perhaps the Z-Pack, as we call it.
But Tuesday, the National Institutes of Health recommended against the combination of hydroxychloroquine and azithromycin, an antibiotic also sold as a Z-Pack, unless a patient is in a clinical trial, saying there is potential for toxicities. At the White House briefing Tuesday evening,
a panel of experts at the NIH is actually now recommending against the use of hydroxychloroquine in combination with Z-Pack, which is something you've been recommending.
I'm always willing to take a look.
There are several other drugs being studied to see if they'll help COVID-19 patients, such as the antiviral drug remdesivir. The NIH panel didn't endorse any of them, saying more clinical trials need to be done. And now, doctors are planning to study another class of drugs, those that treat blood clots.
Virtually every single person that I'm seeing, that I'm asked to interview and examine, has a clotting problem with severe COVID disease. And the clotting problems are the most profound that I've ever seen in the ICU setting.
Broadway actor Nick Cordero contracted the novel coronavirus and had his leg amputated because of a blood clot. He survived, but blood clots can be deadly. Doctors trying to figure out the right drug to prevent these clots, another way to save the lives of patients with the novel coronavirus.
2 pet cats in New York State have been diagnosed with COVID-19. It's the first time pets in the U.S. have tested positive for the virus. The cats live in separate areas in the state. Both have mild respiratory illness. They are expected to fully recover. The owner of one of the cats tested positive for the virus. It's not known how the other cat got it. Experts aren't recommending routine testing for animals.